Hello and welcome to Chicagoland Adventurer. Today's another kayak day. We're going from Chinatown to the center of Chicago's landmass, and in the process we'll visit Bubbly Creek. To get to the starting point, let's catch a Green Line train to Cermak McCormick Place.
Excuse me.
This is Cermak McCormick Place. This is a Green Line train to 63rd and Ashland.
Oh, nice. No alerts, too. Perfect.
On our way to the kayak launch at Ping Tom Park, we reached Chinatown Square. We've been here before. In this insanely long freight train, we can see some UTLX cars. I wonder if they were made in the former East Chicago facility we visited on this channel.
But, you know, it also probably is kind of ideal for the city.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah, I took this on
there's
public
some
transit.
trade-offs, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. It's all about trade-offs.
Very small.
See?
Kind of coming in fast.
I got
How you doing there?
Thank you.
Right? You got both time.
Before we head south on our trip, let's look north to the route that we took on our first kayak journey. The southern portion of the Chicago River is packed with cement facilities, including this Ozinga plant. At this point, my first GoPro battery died without warning, so unfortunately we missed portions of the stretch between Ashland and Damon, and between Damon and Western. Alright, we've arrived at the center point of Chicago, Western Boulevard. Let's head to the boat launch and pack up. I felt bad for the guys next to me on the dock who had just capsized their motorboat. To get home, we're taking the Pink Line. To see more of the Pink Line, check out the Ultimate Pink Line Adventure, link in the description.
Attention customers, an outbound train from the loop will be arriving shortly. Attention customers, an outbound train from the loop will be arriving shortly.
Damon is next. Doors open on the left at Damon. This is Quincas.
Excuse me, guys.
And with that, we're gonna call it a wrap. Longtime viewers may have noticed a name change, but there's also a new TikTok channel. It's there for people with low attention spans, but hey, you might like it.